Welcome to the Paradise Hotel and Casino in East Peoria, Illinois. This is a void property, room number 810. It is a double queen non-smoking room. There's an overview of the inside of the room. When you first walk into the room, on your left side is the bathroom. When you come into the bathroom, you will see a bright lighted vanity mirror. Your coffee maker is in here with instructions. You got your sink. You got your toiletries, which include a vanity kit, makeup remover, wipes, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. And then you got your coffee bar set up over here, so your coffee, cream, sugar. And then toilet paper, tissues are down below. Towels, toilet, trash can, and then over here you have your shower. It is a walk-in glass door shower, and they do have toiletries included, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash and dispensers on the wall. They are not branded, it's just generic. And then here's a look inside the shower. There is a hair dryer on the back of the bathroom door. So when you come in the door of the room, of course you got your emergency exit plan on the door. To your right, as soon as you walk in, there is a full-length mirror / closet. And when you open that, there is a safe on the wall. Instructions on how to use that are inside. It is large enough to store a laptop computer. There's hangers. There's an iron over in the corner. Luggage rack, an ironing board. There is a thermostat also on the right side of the room, on the wall when you come in. So you got your 2 queen beds. There's a nightstand in between the 2 beds. There is a standard phone in the room. There's an alarm clock. And then there is a USB outlet and an electrical outlet on the lamp. There's also a drawer for storage. Coming over to this side, there's also a floor lamp, a lounge chair. It was already nightfall when we checked in. The room does have a water view because we are on the river. Not that you can see it that well at this time. There's a desk here with a lamp for you to do work. Also, there's an electrical outlet and a USB port on the lamp as well. There's a notepad with a pen. There's Wi-Fi instructions for the hotel. There's an ice bucket and cups. With Boyd Properties, they do have apps on the television, so you can access Netflix and YouTube. So that is a nice amenity of the Boyd Properties. There are plenty of drawers here, as you can see. And then Boyd Properties do have a refrigerator, and they typically include 2 bottles of complimentary water upon check-in. There's the remote and your do not disturb sign for the door. As you can see, your TV here, your selections. So again, here's an overview of the room. We are getting ready to check out of the Paradise Hotel and Casino here in East Peoria, Illinois. And here you can see the view from room 810. Like I said, it is like a semi-water view. You can see like a little bit of a water view. You can oversee the parking lot. There's a Hampton Inn next door. But yeah, I wanted to show you what the view looked like during the daytime.